Welcome to Arlington Acres. I'm Sarah, this is our family farm, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Arlington Acres is situated in Tiffin, which is the heart of Northwest Ohio. We're minutes from hotels, stores, and town, which is perfect for any wedding day emergencies, but it feels like you're in the middle of nowhere on a secluded farm. If you're dreaming of an outdoor ceremony, the lawn next to the old barn is stunning all year round. The old barn is most often used for ceremonies or cocktail hour and dancing. It can also be used for small to mid-sized wedding receptions. The white pavilion can hold 250 and is most often used for wedding receptions. The patio is our best kept secret. With tons of space, it's popular for cocktail hour, yard games, dancing, or just sitting back and enjoying the scenic country views. If you do decide Arlington Acres is the venue for you, keep in mind our maximum capacity is 250 guests, and with the Saturday rental, you get 14 hours from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. We'd love to hear from you and get to be a part of your special day.